Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal International School. Dear student, today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1 and today's topic is As You Wish. So dear students, please open your CW copy and ready with your pencil, color pencil and important drawing material things. So dear student, look at the board and draw with me first. Carefully. Today I will draw a village scenery very easily for As You Wish topic. Look, I have write down the V and use two curved line for a tree and give the root like this. Then give this line like this and use some curved line and join each other. Okay. So I have finished the tree. Then you will draw a house like this. Okay. Then draw this line and join this line like this. You should give the straight line. Then give the door and the window. Give a haystacks. Okay. Then after that you will draw the far village. Then you will give the river and draw a boat. And give here a banana tree. Okay. So dear student, I have completed the drawing. I hope you all have understood how I have drawn this picture. So dear student, look at the board. I have already colored a picture for you. Look, I have used the full page. Okay, I didn't give any kinds of border or didn't use any kinds of margin. If you want, you can give here a margin, but don't use this type of box. Okay, I have drawn this box because for imagination that is the copy. So dear student, look at the board. First I have colored this portion, that means the big portion, sky, by sky color, that means light blue. Then I have colored the yard by deep blue, deep yellow and brown color. After that I have colored the river. Then I have colored the tree. I have used on tree, first I have used here light yellow, then the light green, and after that I have used here deep green. And when I have finished this drawing, I have used here some deep blue, and here I have used here brown color and some deep blue color again. And on the haystacks I have used here brown and yellow ochre, and on the house roof I have used here yellow and purple color and some ash color also. And here on the body of the house I have used here ash and purple color. And look at this side, I have used here deep color, okay, because this is the corner of the house. And on the door and window and this portion I have used here brown color. And on the board I have also used brown color, yellow color, orange and light yellow color. And on the far village I have used here Prussian blue color. And on the grass I have used here deep green color and light green color. So dear student, I hope you all have understood how I have colored this picture. So dear student, be attentive at your class when you listen this class and practice and more practice at your home. So dear student, this is also your SW. Do your assigned SW and submit this SW at every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm at your school. Don't forget to submit because your SBA, diary and city marks also depends on your SW. So dear student, practice at your home, abide by your parents and stay at your home safely. Thank you.